If this is your first time running the MR7 software, double-click the shortcut on your desktop and you will notice that a message is displayed. It's telling you that you need to click the Check for Updates button to see if there are any updates available, specifically the latest file banks. The Pulsed Frequency software does not ship with file banks, so when you first run it, you have to download them. Let's click OK. Check for updates. It's going to go to the server and look to see what's available. And we see that we have a file banks version available. We'll click Update. This downloads very quickly. It unzips and then copies the files to your system. Now it's finished. The second thing you should do is go to the compiler. The compiler is where you select the files you want to load into the MR7. Since this is the first time you're running the software, you want to do a quick test to make sure that you have connectivity with the MR7. A quick run through is just to show you how this is laid out. On the left are categories. On the right here are the frequency files. The A to Z All Files list is an alphabetical listing of all the files and all the categories in the software. It's a list that's several hundred entries long. You can also look at files by category. Here are allergy-related files. Here's files dealing with blood, cardiovascular, CNS concussion, and so forth. You can load files one at a time from any category you like. But as a quick test, we're going to select the compiled files category. And this is a list of compiled files supplied by the software that have been found over time to be useful to people in working with different conditions. Let's select General Wellness. We add it. And we need to select a number of times that we want this program to repeat. Right now, we'll say 0 repeats. We're going to click Transfer Treatment to Device. Since it's the first time we're using it, we need to add a name. John Doe. I'll click Enter. Then you need to select the name. Right now it switches to a different screen and it's going to load the selected program into the MR7 and it will file it under John Doe. And we do this test first just to see if we have connectivity to the device, if Microsoft Windows can see your MR7. If it does not, then you know you have a problem and you need to troubleshoot it. And that's what you need to do the very first time you run the MR7 software.